So today we are in area of the Canggu, Batu Bolong area. Especially we will take you to one place where it is always every single day packed of people when it's breakfast time. So I think this one is the best place for brekkie for those Canggu lovers. I'll show you how it is around. All right, so we just arrived in one beautiful breakfast place in Canggu. It's called the Great Canggu, and look at around. It is packed of people in the morning, and as you see that every table is taken, and Damian is sitting there. And yeah, this is it. How is the situation? And also the queue is so big like this. I just want to show you the closer look. How is the menu basically that's on the wall? And yeah, it is quite a big menu, and that's the kitchen behind. And look at the queuing. Wow. And then Damian sitting there, and unfortunately, we didn't get any seat. So yeah, we have a shared table basically, and this is actually another seat behind. And look, surround is also another building on a progress. Wow. And also we spot some family there enjoying their breakfast. So this is how is Canggu in the morning, and look at the menu. I think that in 100K you can have your breakfast and also coffee. So in front of the restaurant is, I think, that one workshop there, and you see that surround is the boutique shop. And look at this place. Wow, what a long queue. So from there until there, and here I'll show you also. They have a beautiful pastries. I'll choose this one. Basically, it's very affordable. And yeah, like I told you, the queue is so long. And one thing is about the seating is all the seats are taken, and they have also DJs here performing. Wow! I give you 180 degrees views. Yes, all the place are taken, and most of the customers they are young people.
And this is my breakfast for today, which is the Frenchy, but basically it's the croissant, ham and cheese. That looks really decent, I gonna tell you, and the size is also good for 65,000 coffee. We need just the croissant. I gonna tell you, it's busy. These places are generally always busy. Unbelievable.
Smacznego, kochanie. Damian couldn't listen to me because this place is so loud and packed of the people on the left, on the right, and you see the queue is getting long and long. Wow. Wow. So what I can say then, this one is full house. And next to us, the family, even with the kids. Wow.
As you can see, this place is busy. It's nearly 12, but it's still busy actually. I wanted to show you around. Now we're gonna jump on the bike and we're gonna stroll around. There are many places actually in Canggu where are busy at the morning.
All right, so we are ready to take you to stroll around, and look at, this is a part of the service. They will cover your bike, and after that they'll clean it for you, even your bike. No wonder.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
people
you.
are coming here. They
Perfect.
provide
Thank
you
you.
great service and great food. Suk semua beli bagus. Now let's jump on and ready to stroll around. All right. Oops.
This is how it is driving in Canggu. You have to be always very careful. Whew, that was the place, lah. But we've been there a few times. We're turning left here into small alley. There are so many actually nice restaurants, and many more are coming soon. Basically, you are going on the other side of the what is it called? Deus Ex Machina and Luigi's. Long time ago, there were only few restaurants. Some were here popular for the vegan people, but now you have a big fitness plus and cast or something like a bar. Changed a lot. Usually somehow I don't drive this street because it's not on the way anywhere for me, but I can see has changed a lot, which is not surprise at all, but still you can find the local shops. So Money Changer now is even here. Well, this is actually a restaurant. There was like a shady shack and something. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This one under construction, the old house, the track. Ay, must to be like that always. That's why they better drive fast than slow. Anyways, Canggu scooters rent. It's like a vibe little bit still with the local establishment, but somewhere there, more at the front, there were few restaurants what were here already for many years, and all of this is just simply newer. But doesn't look that optimistic actually, to be honest, compared to the crate where we were before. They actually for some reason quieter.
And the thing here is there are so many vegan restaurants or vegetarian restaurants.
Yeah, like this on the Shady Shack. This is what I was thinking about. Still exist here. I remember when I was meeting my friend here. I'm not vegan, but she was. And then basically this is the city center, well, village center of Canggu. Santa Nera is one of the best restaurants here. I read somewhere.
That's Mediterranean restaurant. So you see on the right side, still developing a new property like restaurant or probably boutique. And this one we arrived in the Canggu center. As you see on the left, on the right side, there are so many establishments.
Well, actually, very busy. And that's the city center, village center basically. What I'm gonna tell you in the morning, it's actually the same busy like at night, just different vibe little bit, breakfast vibe. It's actually 11:20 right now when we are filming it. It's not bad, not bad. I have a personally feeling definitely as this place is busier than Seminyak at that time on the Kayuaya Street. Gonna speed up a little bit because there is empty gap, still empty gap, but it's not gonna be empty forever. Look at this lady at the front. She drives the electric scooter and she's actually very tall, by the way. Deus Ex Machina here, very popular place. One of the first ones here, Luigi's. And we did the loop nearly already, but I wanna drive you to the area of the Oldsman in the morning. What's going on here? You see there's a lot of little trucks and cars and everything driving around. But this parking area at 11 o'clock and the Love Anchor and everything here, busy like that at 11? Okay, 11:20 if that makes any sense. It's very busy actually. I mean, this is it. And, whoa, don't, yo, thanks. I was afraid he's gonna splash me with the water. Anyways, this is the future new Eat Street actually in Canggu. The same concept like Kayuaya Street, Eat Street, Aka Eat Street in Seminyak, but in Canggu. Basically, this is where the future of Bali is coming. Everything is moving more from Legian to Seminyak, from Seminyak to Canggu, and probably later somewhere else. But meanwhile, this is the place. Look at this establishment, Brooklyn. What is this? Something big actually. And you can find so many restaurants in general. Nothing probably gonna beat the crate in the morning, but you have a very big food for like 60-70K. That's the thing. But many other options are everywhere around. And this street is leading basically up to Oldsman and brand new Motor Mexicola. But some places you can find actually occupied by the people. Something is going on, that's for sure. That's the most important thing. Also, we have to take in mind, as this street is way longer and bigger than the Kayuaya Street in Seminyak. So we have like a double or triple distance and still is busy. Some nice establishments are around. And still a little bit of empty land, but it's gonna go on. It's gonna be something fancy in the future, just waiting for the right time, right? And basically, this is it. Almost beachfront. Actually, the location of the street is also theoretically better than the Seminyak one, because it's facing the ocean and less traffic, and it's wider in general somehow. And yeah, this is the Oldsman and the Motor Mexicola. I don't even know if Hotel Mexicola is open at morning, but it's open, I guess. And then you can, you know, pull over here, park, go to the beach, you know, go to the bars, but we are not going. We are just doing the U-turn. Just wanted to show you a little bit. Basically, the same what we filmed yesterday, a few days ago, but with the difference as this one is in the morning. And some of you may say, because sunset time is always busy, but morning time is no difference. It's just different vibe, but it's busy in generally. This is also famous, the Lawn, one of the first premium establishments in this part of Bali, Canggu. Now it's a lot, but one of the first one. And you see, that's the vibe actually. People parking next to the beach, renting the sunbeds, enjoying the breeze. There is the temple also here. Don't forget, guys, we are living in Bali, not in the Ibiza. However, feels like Ibiza, to be honest, with this amount of establishments. Actually, more establishments here than Ibiza. I was 2 times in Ibiza. There is not that busy there as here. And then we have a little bit of the empty land on the one side, but on the other side, there is huge wall, but behind the wall there is construction of some big hotel, big resort or big residence. I'm not sure exactly what's the name of the brand and what's exactly gonna be, but it's some sort of accommodation, that's for sure. That's what I can guarantee you. Whenever they're gonna finish and they're gonna destroy this ugly looking wall, there will be actually nice here, and there will be a lot of plenty options and spaces to stay. I think they're gonna finish very soon. Check this out, they're already like nearly ready. And then just behind of it is the one of the newest hotels here, which calls Eastin or something like that, also open. So there's slowly some hotels coming in. And basically we're gonna end up in the same place, in the central location, so you can do the little loops around. But just wanted to show you actually. Also a lot of nice restaurants here and there. The guy is chilling, enjoying the morning ride. Basically this is it. That's a very interesting mural, by the way. And you see the people actually, not only young people here. Check this out, not only young people, alright? So don't take me wrong. Yeah, you can find the people from all around the world, any ages, any nations. As I mentioned, that's also very popular place here. And basically this is it. That's the central location of Canggu. Of course, like Winnie mentioned many times, and I'm gonna mention again, you may like Canggu or you may don't like Canggu, but this is where something is going on actually, you know. No matter if you come here at sunset time, at night time, or at the morning time like now, there will be always something going on. Okay, that's it. Well, it's hot. Actually, in Bali, it's hot again. That's the thing. And that's the very central location. There are a lot of boutiques here, by the way. Some of them, no, all of them, they are occupied actually. Alright, guys. So, like I said already many times, this is Canggu nowadays. This is the central location in the Canggu. Even Canggu is still considered as the village. It feels more like a little town. Wherever you're gonna look around, there are many people everywhere around. Something is going on. Either it's morning, either it's sunset time, either it's night time. This is gonna be something. Whenever I go to Seminyak, I like to compare Canggu to Seminyak again, because whenever I go to Seminyak in the morning, make a video in Kayaya Street, in Akaid Street, everybody, I will say, is quiet, because it's totally quiet, nothing is going on, there is no people, and everybody will always say, because it's early morning. Okay, so I come to Canggu and at least here there are people. Anyways, it's closer to the place where I stay, and well, this is it. Just wanted to show you, as there are actually places in Bali where the people, no matter of what time of the day it is. actually, like as you can see, everywhere. You don't need to even find the special particular moment or there are a group of people, because just anytime there are people. Okay, thanks for today. See you tomorrow next one. See ya.